ทุกคนวันนี้นะคะเราอยู่ที่อเมริกันริเวอร์พาทุกคนมาล่องแก่งนะคะบรรยากาศดีมากๆวันนี้ก่อนที่เราจะไปล่องแก่งเราไปดูกันก่อนนะคะว่าสิ่งที่ต้องทำเพื่อความปลอดภัยของเรามีอะไรบ้างดูกันเลยค่ะ
Hey there. So I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about river safety. First of all, you want to make sure you have a good life jacket, especially if you're going in some rapids. And you want to make sure everything is tightened and secure without too much slack. The reason is when someone else, if you fall in the water and someone needs to pull you back out, they need to pull you by these straps and help pull you back into the boat. And if you have a loose life jacket, then it could just pull up over your head and then they won't be able to pull you out of the water. The second thing is you want to make sure when you fall in the water that you float on your back. The direction of that the river is flowing, you keep your feet out and you keep your head back, and then you use your feet to absorb the rocks. If you hit a rock, you absorb it with your feet, and you just want to keep your feet in front of you so that you can absorb the obstacles as they come.
Okay.
And then you don't want to stand up, especially when the water's moving fast. You don't want to try to stand up because a lot of times people speak and it gets stuck in between the rocks, and then the water is pushing you forward and it can push your head down and you can drown. Or even if, but the water flows over you and it forces you down, and if, with your foot stuck, you end up face down in the water and you could die. The other thing is you want to look out for if the water is a lot higher and there's like bushes or trees in the water, you want to make sure to avoid that area and just stay in the middle of the water where it's deeper and there's less hazards, and wait for either actively swim back towards the boat or just wait for someone to pick you up. Because if you end up in the bushes with the water flowing through it, you can get, so imagine like my fingers are the trees and the water's it's flowing through. If you're just floating down the river, you can get stuck up against the tree, and so you want to just make sure to avoid those kind of hazards and stay in the middle of the river with your feet in front of you and make it safely back to the boat. If you can, when you fall in the river, try to stay close to the boat. On the life.
ที่เรามาสำรวจพื้นที่ตรงที่เราจะออกเรือนะคะเราจะจอดรถไว้ที่นี่คันหนึ่งแล้วก็ขับไปจอดไว้ข้างบนกันนี่นะคะเราประกอบเรือของเราเสร็จแล้วพร้อมลุยจ้า careful. Don't hit me.
Yeah, maybe you should move.
Move where?
Jasmine, do you like warm water?
Wait.
Oh, no.
Oh no, no. Oh no. What do you mean you're gonna catch him?
I got you, bro.
Easy peasy. Going for the flip?
Oh! You hit the ball. Huh? Go, babe, go, go, go. Go, go. You know how to do it. I am a bad captain จริงๆ คนอยู่ข้างหลังต้องเป็นคนคุมเรือนะคะ เป็นหางเสือ นี่มัวแต่เล่น คนอยู่ข้างหน้าเป็นคนออกแรงนะ
Isn't it beautiful here? It's all islands. That's the whole New Zealand. Go, 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 go! Woo-hoo! Good job! Woo! Wait, I gotta film them. They go backward. Ping, ping. Whoop, whoop. Da, 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 da. Woo! Backward again.
มีต้นแบล็คเบอร์รี่ด้วยนะคะยังไม่สุก This is a raspberry
No, it's blackberry. It's not ready.
blackberry นะคะ แต่ว่ามันยังไม่สุก มันเป็นสีแดงเหมือนราสเบอร์รี่เลย You follow Are you gonna share, huh?
Okay. It's gonna be a little sour.
How do
You
you
can see
know?
it's like kind of red. So. That's not sweet. It's not bad.
ว้าว ของฟรีอร่อยนะคะ
Juice.
อร่อยไหม ของฟรีมาอร่อยอย่างนี้นี่เอง
You gotta eat it before they wrap it.
จอดเทน้ำออกนะคะ น้ำท่วมเรือ เมื่อกี้หนักไปหน่อยต้องเอาน้ำออกนะ too much water ไปต่อเลยจ้า
Yeah.
go geese go go wow look fun
Wait a
go 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 you can do it bird jump bird jump bird no I'm not captain right now I'm taking video bird jump bird jump bird ow you splashed the water on me oh no that's really big oh my god oh 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 ohถึงที่หมายแล้วค่ะทุกคน
ถ้ามาวิดีโออย่าลืมกด subscribe ให้เงียบผมเจอครับเดินน้องเดิน